Hi, this is Mark from Wiki Design. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a free and easy way to have a browser pop-up notification when a user clicks on an external link on your website. Here's an example of what we're going to be pulling off in this tutorial. Let's say I want to have this link give me a notification pop up because it's an external link. So when you click on this, I'm going to show you how I was able to easily install this right here, where it just warns the user that they're leaving the website and they clicked on this external link, google.com. And then of course the user can click cancel or OK. If they click OK, it goes to Google. And then if they click cancel, it will actually just close that down and they stay on the page. I will be using Elementor Pro in this tutorial, but since this is just a little bit of JavaScript, you can actually use this on any type of website. So you aren't limited to Elementor or even WordPress. You can put this on any type of website where you can add JavaScript. So let's just jump into the back end. Here we are on the back end of that Elementor page, and I'll just quickly show you how I have everything structured. This very first button is actually an internal link, so I wanted to show that this isn't going to interfere with your internal links. And then these are just regular links, so you can see right here on this button it's going to Google. And then I also wanted to show that within the text editor that you can add any sort of external links and it will work the same way. So in this case, this very first link is going to Wiki Design, and this other one right here is going to the internal page. And then I also wanted to show that, on a image that has a custom URL link, this will work as well. So now that you kind of know how that's set up, let me just show you how easy it is to add the JavaScript to this page, and then you'll be good to go. Like I said, I am using Elementor Pro to pull this off, and they have this great feature right underneath Elementor Custom Code. So they give you the ability to add custom code to your website, so you can easily inject this JavaScript into the header of your website. And what's really powerful about this one, in my opinion, is you can display it all different types of ways. So you can display it dynamically, you can display it on just one page, you could do anything really with it. So let me show you how you can set this up in Elementor Pro. And if you aren't using Elementor Pro, you can install another plugin where you can inject this into your header and it'll work the same way. So let me just type in, URL, external URL pop-up or something like that. And you just want to drop in this code right here. And the only thing that you really need to change out is this is the message right here. So if you remember in the tutorial, in the beginning of the tutorial, this right here, this is what you can change right here. So if we go back into this code, just type in whatever you want here. And then if you wanted to display the URL, you just want to make sure that you keep this in right here. And then everything else is pretty much just standard JavaScript functions. Now, if you aren't using Elementor Pro and if you know that you don't need jQuery, what you can always do is just remove this right here and these closing tags. And then this is just really generic, like vanilla JavaScript, basically. And that's all you really have to do. Now what you can do is assign it to what page you want. And so in this case, we want to keep the location at the head. And when you click publish, this is where you're going to get your display conditions. So you can just do the entire site if you want. But let's say in this case, we want it just on this page called link confirmation pop-up. You can just click entire site, single, it's underneath page. So if for some reason you really just want on one page, you can easily just do that right here. I'll click save and close. And you can see it's updated. And I always like to hit update after that goes through. Go to this page, hit refresh, and just make sure everything is working. So that goes to the pop-up. This one goes to Wiki Design pop-up, and then this one, if you remember, was an internal link. And you're going to notice that just goes to the internal link. And then if I click on the Iceland image, it's going to go to this Visit Iceland page right here. And that's it for this video on how to easily add an external URL pop-up. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and hit that bell to receive notifications when I release new tutorials like this. Again, this is Mark from Wiki Design.